So the trickiest part of this whole design was getting the steering correct. Most trophy truck hubs have the steering mounts out here outside of the wheel, but when I started with a design like that, what I noticed was that none of the pivot points were lined up and I got a ton of bump steer, like multiple inches of bump steer. So what that means is when the suspension is cycling up and down, the steering is inadvertently cycling in and out, which you don't want. Some bump steer is okay, but I wanted to get it as close to zero as possible. So I ended up moving the steering in and moving those mounting points in as well. And I'll show you what that looks like. So this is a PSC hydraulic steering pump, which is what the rock crawler guys use. And then I have these rod ends connected to the steering links that attach to the hubs. And the way I have it designed now, there's zero bump steer. So as the suspension cycles up and down, that wheel angle doesn't move at all, which is really nice. But one of the compromises to this design was that I only got plus or minus 20 degrees of steering angle. So if there's any steering experts out there, let me know if that is not enough, because I think it's not enough. If you're a drift guy and you want plus or minus 60 degrees of steering angle, is that going to happen on here? But yeah, let me know what you guys think about steering angle and what the minimum requirement is for an off-road application. A solid axle rock crawler would have 45 degrees of steering because there's a lot more room. But independent suspension, trophy truck, let me know what you guys think.